Here's how to lock any app on an Android phone. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Unfortunately, Android doesn't allow app locking natively on most devices, so you'll need a free third-party app. Don't worry, there are reliable options available. Tap on the search bar and type App Lock. You'll see App Lock Pro appear at the top. This is a good option with over 100 million downloads. Install the app, then tap Open. Once the app launches, tap Get Started. For this example, enter a simple PIN and confirm it. Next, you'll have the option to enable fingerprint or face unlock for extra security. You can turn this on now or skip it by tapping Not Right Now. After that, the app will request several permissions. Make sure to allow all required permissions, such as usage access, appear on top, and other system permissions. These are necessary for the app to function properly. Once setup is complete, locking apps is very easy. Scroll through the list of apps and tap on any app you want to lock. For example, the calculator app. As soon as you tap it, the app will be locked. To view all locked apps, tap Locked in the top right corner. From here, you can unlock any app whenever you want. Now, when you open a locked app, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN. Enter the PIN, and the app will open. Without the correct PIN, no one else will be able to access your private apps. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips.